What if I told you there's a tool that can turn regular photos or even plain text into full-on coloring pages in under 60 seconds? Sounds crazy, right? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I'll do it step by step. We'll quickly cover how to turn a photo into a coloring page, how to use text prompts to create custom designs, and something pretty cool, you guys will like this, an online coloring feature that's perfect for kids. And guys, here's the best part. I'm also going to tell you how you can make some easy money with this tool, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. Okay, hi guys, I'm Raquel and I bring you the tools you need to make that money online selling your own digital products. Okay guys, so I am on Etsy and I just want to show you some coloring books that are doing very well. As you can see, I'm using Everbee Research, and if you're interested in Everbee to do research, please feel free, the link is below. Yes, it is an affiliate link, but it is at no additional cost to you. Okay, so you will not be charged anything extra. It will just help me support the channel. So let us look at the stats right here. So as you can see, coloring books, I just entered coloring books. Okay, and as you can see, it is doing very well on Etsy. All right, and we're looking at this one, right? Do you see over 400,000 views? It was up for 46 months. Okay, and the sales so far is 658 sales, and as you can see, the price is $17.97. So you can do the math. Okay, so just to do the math for you, you see over 11,000 sales. All right, so this is great. There are other coloring books here, right? So look at this ABC one here, ABC shower coloring book. So I guess that's for baby shower. And so far 536 sales. Okay, then you have this one here, right? So far 83 sales in a month, right? That's a number of sales in 1 month. Okay, that's a monthly sale, right? And we came across this one already. And if you look at this one here, it was up for 8 months, only 8 months, right? And it says PLR and MRR. So basically you can purchase this, but look at the price, $199. Okay, so it doesn't matter, they will still, I guess, be making sales and making some profit from it. But so far 11 sales for the month. And as you can see, coloring books are clearly selling. Look at this personalized kids coloring, right? Personalized. And so far 284 sales. So let's do the math. See, monthly sales 3,848, all right, and 20 cents. I want to show you guys, it will make sense afterwards. All right, so let's get into the nitty-gritty. Okay guys, so I am back here to look in detail at this coloring book here, and these are opportunities that you can use ColoringBook.ai to do to create these personalized items, these personalized coloring books. All right, so I think these are very good, and it's something, just an idea, something you can do for yourself. And as you can see, the options here, you have right, so you have different types of options, animals, dinosaurs, etc. right? And there's a little mini video as well. Okay, it's not that detailed, but it is a pretty good start. And if we look in detail at Coco USA, it's a pretty high demand product, as you can see. Right, so the kids coloring book is only 3 items. They really don't have much items here in stock, right? And I don't know if they changed the store, they change up the store. So as you can see, there isn't much coloring books here, right? Okay, so this is a good one. And I want to get back to this main one here, right? So as you can see, this is an in-demand product and 14 persons bought this in the past 24 hours. Okay, let us go into the shop to see what else they're selling. Okay, so there are only 56 items. Wow, right? So 56 items. Munchkin Lane, right? And as you can see, so these are what they're selling. So they're selling other personalized toddler workbooks, right? And these are like little coloring books kind of thing that you can sell. And these are pretty good. These are great, and it's something you can give someone, for their birthday. And it have over 20 people have this in their cart, or 20 people have this in their cart, 4 have, so basically you can take a page from this source book. Okay, so they basically have the sales open open, and you will see what's selling. It's basically showing you what is selling, right? So you have activity pre-K activity book, but what is really selling is this type of coloring book. These are selling really good, right? And so okay guys, so I want to show you this ColoringBook.ai. It can basically generate coloring pages for you in seconds. Okay, so it have different options at the top here. You have free coloring pages that you can choose from, and you have the photo to coloring page, text to coloring page. So this is what I will focus on today. And then of course there's this new online coloring. So you can use this to just quickly get pages under the free section. For if you have kids, you can easily go under here and simply download pages for the kids to color, or you can go in the online coloring space and you can just click something here for the kids to quickly color, right? It's pretty easy to use, as you can see, right? But I want to focus on the photo to color and the text to color coloring page. Okay, so we have selected text to coloring page, and basically what we can do is simply enter a prompt here and click on generate coloring page, or we can simply click on generate coloring page and it will enter, and we'll still have to re-enter our prompt here. So let me just grab the prompt that I have quickly created using ChatGPT, and I'll go back to the color to convert text into coloring page and simply paste. So basically I want that for bigger kids, 5 to 10 years. I will leave the 2 to 3 ratio default here, and I want 1 page. All right, so it has some pretty good features here. If you want, you can private high quality print, you know, you have all these you can select, and of course this is a premium feature. So let us quickly generate. Wow, this is lovely. You can click on the image and you can easily see, you know, everything here. It's just that I really don't like the idea that the hair is black, but I guess, you know, it's AI and it will have some issues or problems. Okay, so basically you can click on the download PNG or download as a PDF. Okay, and you can also remember online coloring that we looked at. You can easily go right in there and do the online coloring, right? So you can quickly generate something for your kids to color, you know, to keep them busy. And if you click on the 3 dot here, you can go straight to the online coloring again, make this private or delete. Okay, so as you can see, it is public. These are public, and these are generations that I did before while testing out this product. Okay, so it's pretty cool, right? So now we'll go into image to coloring page. Okay, so the image to coloring page, I think this is a pretty cool feature, and you can use this to make a lot of money, right, on Etsy, Amazon, or your own store. So basically what you can do is simply click on upload of image here and upload a photo from your computer, right? So I will do that right now. Okay, so I've uploaded an image here, and I will leave these as is. I would not remove the background or preserve the face, but I will show you this can do in a bit because I've tried this already. If you remove the background, and of course I would like to generate 1 image, but you can, you know, generate multiple images, and you have the premiere feature. You can do the watermark, or you can make this private. But let us generate the image right now. Okay, so now we have our image. You can click on this and you can click on original image right here and click on coloring image right here. Guys, this is so cool. This is really cool. Look at it. Oh my god. And you can do slide to compare. So you can, you know, slide across, see it, and slide back. You know, this is really cool. So I think, you know, there's a lot of potential with this, and you can make money with this. And again, you can download PNG, or you can download in a PDF format. Okay, so let me show you another one that I have generated, and this one is, and these are AI images. Okay, yeah, it looks like picture, but it's, as you can see, it's AI. Nobody would put candles on a blanket. So we can slide to see how it looked right here, and as you can see, a candle is missing, so you can slide back, you know, to see what's in and what was left out, right? So as you can see here, it had a cushion and not seen it over here. Okay, so this is the little details. I mean, it's not 100% perfect, but it is something that you can actually use to make some money, right? And I want to show you this one. So this one, I've removed the background from this one, and there's an image of me, and I will click on the original photo, and here's the original photo and the coloring page. But let us do the slide. Wow. Okay, so this is it. This is me, right? Okay, right. I like the fact, so I removed the background because there were people at the back here, and I just didn't want to want them to show. And as you can see, it's okay. I mean, it makes me look like I'm wearing a necklace here, or I have a collar, but it's just a plain t-shirt I was wearing, right? But it will work. Okay guys, so I really like the fact that you can easily turn a photo into a coloring page. Look at this, right? So this is an image of a shell, a conch shell, right? Look at this. It's so beautiful, right? It is so beautiful. And what you can do is probably put the image there as a small little image on the side of the coloring page, so persons have an idea of how they can easily color it, just get some color options, right? And look at this one here. This one is very nice, and this was created with AI, so you can use AI images to create your coloring pages as well, right? So even though it's in color, you can get the AI to generate something that is realistic and easy for kids to color. So this is very beautiful. This is just to give you an idea of what you can do, what you can use ColoringBook.ai to create, okay? And I showed you the sales earlier, the amount of money they're making, because let us do a calculation. So basically this listing here got over 30,000 sales, right? And made 658 sales in a month. So let us do a calculation. So as you can see, the total sales here, right? Almost 20,000, right? So, and the price is pretty good, right? The price is really good. And you have style options, some are fun, right? And you can select the size right here. And if you want the bigger size, they even have by 11 guys, $19.97, right? So you can make more money doing this. And I'm sure this is a print on demand item, but you can create these in printable forms, and just give the person the option to create it if you like. So basically you can see 40 people bought this in the last 24 hours. So this is just an idea. So that's the magic behind this awesome tool. Okay, told you it was quick. Whether you're creating coloring books for kids, adults, or even teachers, this is such a time saver. So guys, the link to the tool is below. Yep, it's an affiliate link, but don't worry, it won't cost you anything extra. It just helps support the channel. All right. So if you're serious about making money with this tool, grab my Faceless Instagram Strategies ebook. It is linked below. I will show you exactly how to get your coloring books or your printable pages in front of the right audience without even showing your face. And if you're wondering how to actually market these coloring books, check out this next video where I walk you through the Faceless Instagram method step by step. Okay, so in the meantime, I'll give you a little sneak peek of these Instagram strategies right here in this video.